Here's your Goupil catalog so you can fix your controller and travel back in time, go home, and stop squatting my apartment.
Oh, thanks. Julia?
You know, just for once, I thought you were going to be able to do it all by yourself. Look, there's a number for a hotline. Why don't we telephone them?
Oh, that's not going to be another Timmy, is it?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Can you buy me some more crisps?
Of course. I have just ordered crisps from Amazon. Your order will be delivered in 2 hours at the latest. I also recommend that you watch the YouTube video, Best Nutrition Tips for Weight Loss.
Why don't you talk to them?
Okay. Hello, I'm okay. I fell asleep in the spatio-temporal metro and missed my station. So you see, I'm looking for...
Hello. For a request concerning the delivery of a Goupil product, say delivery. For a request concerning invoicing, say invoicing. For a request concerning the use of a Goupil product, say I am stupid.
I'm stupid?
For a request concerning a Goupil controller, say...
Controller!
You will now be put into contact with one of our sales assistants.
Hello, what model is your controller?
Oh, it's a TX3100.
No. That reference isn't in our catalog.
Well, you see, I mean, I have your catalog here in front of me, but to be honest, it's a bit confusing. There's all kinds of stuff. I mean, how's it organized? How have you classed your products?
Oh, it's very simple. They're all classed by color and by size.
But that's completely illogical.
Well, sir, up till now, no one has complained about it.
How do you expect me to find anything?
Oh, no, but the goal is not that you find anything, sir. The goal is that the catalog looks pretty.
What?
Oh, okay. What color is your device, sir?
Well, it's white.
Then you just need to look in the white products, sir.
There are 850 references in the white products.
That's why we also class things by size, sir.
Oh, wait. Oh, I think I found it. Now, yours is a TX2100, so it's quite similar. Mine's the TX3100. I mean, do you think that if I use it, it might create a temporal paradox?
Well, sir, if it's the same color and the same size, it should satisfy your needs.
Are you sure?
I really have no idea, sir.
Look, your catalogue is very beautiful. I mean, you know, great job, fantastic, wonderful. I'm just asking myself how a company that's capable of creating such an absurd catalogue is capable of inventing a machine that can help you travel through time and space. Sir? He hung up.